Okay, y'all, I am at the Family Dollar right now. They got 50% off on clearance items, so don't forget to check it out. And on top of that, today they got a 10, save 10 when you spend not 40 but $20, y'all. So I am going to show out with that coupon. You hear me? I'm going to show out. But here's some of the stuff they got 50% off. It says on holiday decor, floral candles, tumblers, and mugs. So if you are last minute shopping and want to pick up something, now is the perfect time because they got this 50% off plus 10 off of $20. What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, Family Dollars got some lit deals going on. I showed y'all the beginning where they had the 50% off, but other than that, y'all, they got that 10 off of $20, and I think it's good from today, which is the 21st to the 26th. So if you don't get out today to use it, that's fine. But they also have spend 21 save $7 on P&G items, and it's just so many good deals going on right now at Family Dollar, y'all. But I got some deals for y'all. I don't even know what else to say. It's so much deals going. It's crazy. They got Glad garbage bags where you get one of those and you get the storage bags or the clean wrap for free. And on top of that, it's a 5 off of 20 coupon so you can mix out. I got some deals for y'all. I got y'all. But before we get into these deals, do me a favor, subscribe. It's free. And a like, comment, and share, and hype me up. Y'all, what's going on? My videos is like at a standstill. I'm constantly pumping out this content for y'all, deals after deals. I'm giving y'all deals. I don't even gotta wait to the store. So, I mean, push the subscribe button. It's free. Comment, like, share, do one or the other. But I got y'all. So, let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction. We got the green Gain. If y'all can't tell by now, I love Gain. But I will use any detergent. So, let's not get it twisted. But Gain be coming with some good coupons, especially at the Family Dollar. Okay, this transaction was okay, y'all see the gift tags in the back, they were $1.50. I got like 5 things that was $1.50. All of them is not in the video because it wasn't nothing but like 4 gift bags, and then one of these, all of them was $1.50, so it was like $7.50 right there. Then on the Gain fabric softener, it was $8.20. So all the stuff that was $7.50, the $7.50 Gain, that is no more. It is now $8.20. So this was $8.20. We have a $2 off, making it $6.20. Then on the beads, 12.2 ounce, they were $10.50. We have a $2 off, making those $8.50. Then on the 45 loads, and that's another $7, and I mean $7.75 Gain product. I'm sorry, y'all. Is now $8.20. So this was $8.20. Had a $2 digital, making it $6.20. And then on the Gain Happy and Relax, they were 2 for $10.50. Well, $10.50 each, totaling $21. And we have that coupon also. When you spend 20 on these type of Gain products, you save $5. So boom, got these. So the 10 off of 20 came off, and the other coupons, making the total $34.39. After this transaction, I got my $7 P&G coupon back. So that made the final cost for all of these Gain products, y'all, $27.39, making each item $5.47 each. You cannot beat that at all, y'all. $5 each for these, especially on the beads and these bigger game detergents. That is an awesome price. So that was my first transaction. Now let's get into these other transactions. It's going up from here, y'all. It gets better and better. So let's check that out. Okay, y'all. On this transaction right here, this was my second transaction, and what I was doing was the 10 off of 20, and I was using that save 5 when you spend 20 on Clorox, Pine Sol, or Glad items. So first off, the Glad trash bags, you buy one of those and you get the Glad storage bags or cling wrap for free. So the trash bags was 10.25, and $5 came off of them because I spent 20 on, I guess, all of these items. So on the receipt it's showing smart coupon $5. So the trash bags end up being $5.25. And then for the Glad bags, they were free, but it is a coupon that you have to clip in order to buy one get one free. It's a Glade $4.10 coupon. This coupon right here. You clip that, and then when you get these two, you will get your Glad bags for free. So the Glad bags was $3.55 with a smart coupon of $3.55 off. So, which made them free. Then the Pine Sol was $8.75. The Clorox wipes was $5.95, and the two Clorox bleaches, they were $6.35 each, totaling $12.70. So the total after the 10 off of 20 came off, and at $5, which is $15 whole, it made the transaction $22.65, making each item $3.77 each. And that is fantastic, especially for some bleach and some garbage bags, y'all. Yes, you better wake up with the Family Dollar program. At first, I was kind of upset with Family Dollar because, like, the prices in the app was never correct, and you would think they're one thing, and when you get up to the counter, stuff will ring up higher. But one of the managers had to break it down to me and was like that the store is in real time and the app is behind, and it hasn't caught up to all the prices that went up in store, basically, if you want to look at it that way. But they are getting better with tagging the shelves in the Family Dollar, showing the correct prices, and the app is catching up with the items. So I can't be mad at Family Dollar no more. But that is the second transaction, y'all. I think this was a pretty good transaction. You got your bleach, your wipes, your cleaning Pine Sol, and your Ziploc and garbage bags. This is a good transaction if you ask me. Now I'm about to show y'all my last transaction before. Well, I got two more transactions for real to show y'all, not gonna lie. So let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction. I know. But I had got two Scott toilet papers. I just didn't put them up here. And this and the Tide, and what I was working on was the $10 off, and the P&G coupon. So basically this Tide was $21.75, no coupons, nothing off. And you know the P&G, when you spend 21 or more, you get the $7 off your next transaction. Then on the Scott toilet paper, they had a coupon, buy two save two. So both of these, instead of being $5, they was $4 each, totaling $8. So the total after that $10 came off and the $2 for the Scott, it was $19.74. Then when I got back the $7 P&G, it made the final cost for these items $12.74, making each item $4.27 each. No, $4.24 each. I'm sorry, y'all. 24 cents. Cannot beat that at all. And how I know I got the $7 back from the P&G, I meant to show y'all that here is the two Scott products. See, 2 for $5, and that $2 came off, and there's the Tide, and it says 1 cent by it. So that's how I know I got that 7 back. And then the manufacturer's $10 off. That's the 10 off for 20, y'all. I was really supposed to just do it with the Tide to get the $10 off and that P&G back, because the Tide is over $21. So if you don't want the Scott, you can just do that. But the P&G is only good for 1 day to try to scramble up and get that. But still, since the $10 is still gonna be good all week, you might as well just get the Tide, save $10 on it, pay $10 for some Tide, because that's basically what I'ma do with the other 10 off for 20 coupons I have, because Tide then went back up, y'all. Very expensive right now. So that's that transaction. And I meant to show y'all the one for the very first transaction I had did on all that gain. Here is my 1 cent right there as well, to show me that I got that $7 P&G back. So let's get into the last of the Mohicans transactions, and we gonna end this video on a good note. Okay, y'all, here is my last two transactions, but this is one, y'all. They still got these body armor 3 off of 3 coupons, y'all, making 3 body armors, and it's the 16-ounce ones for you buy 3 for $1. So my Red Bull was $2.95, and I used that body armor coupon, which made 3 of these $1. The total was $3.95 for this transaction. Then I did this one and just paid $1. Here is my coupon, no tax, nothing, just one Benjamin. Yes, y'all. One, or whoever's on the dollar bill. I think it's Washington or something, but $1 bill, y'all. No tax, nothing, nothing. And this is what I got, 3 of those, just to show y'all that they are coming up $1 for 3 of them. So y'all, that is my last transactions at the Family Dollar. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of video I'll be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.